Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of October the 23rd to the 29th. The first thing that we're going to talk about, if you check your digital coupons folder at the very top, I got a booster in both of my accounts, and this is the one that I got, $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $50. You know, it's expensive. Definitely check the top of your digital coupons folder if you might have it. Remember, it's always your mileage may vary. Not every account gets one. If you might be so lucky to have a paper booster and a digital, yes, they do in fact stack. The digital is of a one-time use. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or cash bills. Do not use any store, register, rewards, or Walgreens cash. Okay, now we are cresting upon a new month. So with that, we're going to get new IVC digital coupons along with new monthly deals. And this weekend, we'll be seeing a new P&G insert in your region. I don't know. Maybe it's worth picking up the Saturday paper or Sunday paper and thumbing through it to check if the November P&G might have hit in your area. Okay, so let's look at the cover. Again, guys, let's stress the dates, the 23rd to the 29th. There is a buy two, get the third for free on skincare. So that is a new deal. And a BOGO 50% off on allergy relief. I certainly need some of that. Now, looking at the deals of the week, we have Pepsi 3 for $10.99, the Purex 2 for $5. Scott is back for $5, and we have a $1.25 IVC for that. That's going to be showing up on Sunday. The Post cereal for $2.79 and BOGO free on Lay's. As it's getting close to Halloween, they're trying to, say come to Walgreens to buy all your pop and chip for your little party. First deal that I think is really great is the $7 for the Dove. Earn a $5 store reward when you buy two. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash for that. Now, in the past, when they had the Dove deal with the 7 off 2, that showed up 2 weeks in a row. So on Sunday, we're going to have to double, triple check our accounts. Is this magical unicorn going to show up, which is the 7 off 2 digital coupon? Yes or no? And that will let us know if you can participate in this deal or not. If you didn't do the deal the week previous, you would have the 7 off 2 because I think it had an expiry date of 2 weeks. But we'll have to wait and see. The last time they had this promotion, they gave us a digital coupon 2 weeks in a row. Okay, so grabbing 2 of the Dove body wash at $7 a pop, that's $14 on the nose. Subtracting the 7 off 2 digital, you're paying $7. Getting back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per body wash. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. Next deal that we're looking at is identical to the last one where it's a $4 reward when you buy 2. So if you want to do both of these deals, you got to do them in separate transactions. So the $4 reward will print for you twice. This is $8 and we have a $7.50 off of 2. I received this screenshot from the Flip app, so it is quite pixelated. So just bear with me here for a second. But if you want to go to the Flip app and look this up, it's a $7.50 off of 2. Okay, so 2 of those deodorants will be $16 on the nose. The $7.50 off of 2 digital coupon, you're paying $8.50, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $4.50 for the 2 or $2.25 per Dove deodorant. This is a really good price point, guys. Again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your $4 reward. Now, the Fetch Rewards app has this rebate of $2 back when you buy 2. It's expiring on Saturday, but they have been very generous with extensions. If they have an extension for this, I mean, it's going to be like $2.25 for 2 deodorants or $1 and some change. This will definitely be a deal to do. So make sure that you have this rebate if it's there for you on Sunday morning. And I would definitely buy those deodorants if this deal could line up perfectly. Okay, friends, so it seems like the toothpaste deals are back this month. So if you were not getting any toothpaste in the month of October, I would definitely stock up in November. Nothing to sneeze at here. I'm doing every toothpaste deal. So grabbing 2 tubes at $3.99, that's $7.98. 3 off of 2 digital coupon, you would pay $4.98. Get back your $4 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per tube of toothpaste. It is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay this down if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. Okay, and for all the parents out there, we have the Pampers 2 for $21. We have a 3 off of 2 digital, plus that same promotion of $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 bags of the Pampers at 21 on the nose, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying 18 out of pocket, getting back a $4 reward, making it $14 for the 2 or $7 per bag. Again, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, go for it, as long as you're not doing this in concert with a booster. Definitely check the rebate apps if there might be something for Pampers as well. Now we have a little Pepsi deal, 3 for $10.99. We're going to get it for $9.74 for the 3 if you can line up this deal perfectly. So if you head over to your Fetch Rewards account, there is a rebate for $1.25 back when you buy one of these Pepsi Zero Sugar. So you'll have to find one of those. I know not all the stores sell this Zero Sugar, but if you live in a larger market, you probably can pull this off. Maybe get 2 regulars and 1 Pepsi Zero, and you're in business to get some very inexpensive Pepsi for your Halloween party. Now, guys, I don't see the fine print anymore in these ads because they've relinquished that privilege to all of us. But this is $7 for these P&G products. When you buy 4, you get a $4 reward. Like, womp, womp, womp. That's not very great. If there's a high value coupon, that's a game changer, though. So definitely when you're looking at your digital coupons, this one, throw it on the back burner because this might be worth it. Also, in the same boat, this might be some free toothpaste if P&G offers us some very nice high-value digital coupons. Earn a $3 reward when you buy 2. If these are $3 a pop and we have a 3 off of 2 digital, that might be some free toothpaste. Along with this little dealio, that other Colgate coupon that we were looking at, if it's attaching these $2.99 tubes, maybe another freebie, but definitely one to throw in the back burner because we're in no position here to sneeze at or not look at a toothpaste deal. Okay, BOGO free, the treat of the week. These have been $2.49 for the longest time. It's BOGO free, so is it going to be like $5 for the 2? That's what we're going to have to look at. And I see Sour Patch Kids as part of it, so maybe that might be your snack size treat to pick up for your little trick-or-treaters, but they took a little different avenue with this. And then we also have BOGO 40% off on the much larger bags. I know that Fetch Rewards was giving some sort of progressive, like, spend 20 on candy, get back 2 or something like that for that large M&M's, Twix, Milky Way, that one. So look at your rebate app, what you might have. Might be a little moneymaker pour vous. More beverages, including the Dasani 2 for $8. I remember when I first started couponing in this region, Dasani was $3.99 a case, so that is not a bad price point. And the adult beverages, if you are having a Halloween party, mail-in rebates, so you would buy these and then get something out of the Catalina machine, send your receipt to the manufacturer with your info, and get your little Checo for $5 back. BOGO free on the Lysol wipes. Look, 2 for $14 on that Lysol. I made a video, some Lowe's clearance, where I was getting it for like $1.12. Go check that out. That's expensive, $7. Not doing it. Look at this little corgi. Oh my gosh, BOGO 50% off on pet supplies. I'm not a dog person, but that corgi, my goodness gracious, it's like he's saying hi. Adorable. Now, at many Walgreens near me, these smaller squishmallows for Christmas, they have a Santa, a reindeer, and then I think a snowman. They sold out really, really quickly last year. Like within weeks, they were all gone. So if you collect or gift squishmallows, the larger or the smaller ones that are Walgreens exclusive, buy them soon because they do sell out quickly. Also, if you missed it yesterday, I made a video where Walgreens is part of this video. It's called Inflation Baking, How to Save Money. Seems like prices of specifically baking items, flour, butter, you name it. We're just kind of breaking down the cheapest way to do all of your baking this holiday. Is it to buy some now and to freeze it or to store it? Check out the video linked right here. Lots of great information. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.